Hello, I hope you are having an amazing day. And today we're going to learn this new word, very simple one, okay? 口 K-O-K口 Okay, 口 Does it look like a mouth? Yes, it means mouth, okay? Or an opening. Okay? 口 the third sound. And if you still remember this word from our previous lesson, 人口 人口 人 means people, okay? Okay, people, mouth, right? Or human, mouth, okay? 人口 it means population. I keep it right. Population. Okay, population. Okay, 人口, very simple, right? And this, a 门 means a door, 门口. So in this case, it means an opening, okay? 门口门口 door, mouth. So it actually means doorway, okay? Doorway, or you can also, in this case, 入口. It looks like 人, but it's different, okay? Just pay attention to this. They're not the same word, okay? 入口 人口, okay? 入 ru, fourth sound, okay? 口 This one, 门口 means the doorway, right? Doorway, entrance, right? This one means 入口 is where you get in. It's entrance. It's a doorway, but it's a little different from 门口, okay? It's for you to get in. It's entrance. Maybe not for exit. For exit, 出口, okay? 出 出 first sound. 口 third sound. 出口 exit, okay? Exit. Or to export. Okay, export. Okay, or you can say 安全出口 安全 okay? 安 first sound. 七圆圈 second sound. 安全 means safety. Okay, safety exit. Okay, 安全出口. Okay, and then we can also use it this way. 口气口气口气口气 is your tone of voice, okay? Of voice. His 口气 is not good. Maybe he's speaking in a very rude way. No, yeah, in that case you can say he has a very bad 口气, okay? 口气. And then 借口. Okay, 借 means borrow, okay? 借 for sound, 口 借口 borrow, mouth. What does it really mean? It means excuse, okay? No excuse, no 借口, okay? 借口 okay? 借口 means excuse. And if it's something verbal only, 口头 头 second sound. 口头 means verbal promise. Okay, 头 is actually your head. It means head, but together they mean verbal promise. Just something you're just saying it. There's no writing or anything. Okay, 口头 verbal promise. Okay, 口头 well verbal. 口头 is verbal only. If you want to say verbal promise is 承诺. 承诺 ，OK， 承诺，承，吃恩称，称成，呢喔诺诺诺诺诺，承诺，承诺 is promise， 口头 is verbal， 口头承诺 means verbal promise， OK， 口头 ，OK， 口头 something you just say。 Nothing written, okay? 口头 is 口头 only, okay? It's we just saying this is just verbal, not recorded, okay? 口味 then we have 口味 口味 okay 口 k o 口 ko 口口味味味味味 for sound 口味 this means taste. Okay, taste or your preference. Okay, 口味 you can say orange 口味 orange taste, orange flavor. Okay, flavor. Okay, 口味 and he has very good 口味 means he has a very good taste. 口味 Okay, 开口开口开口开 k i 开 first sound, okay? 口开口开 means open, okay? 开门 open the door, open door, okay? 开口 means open your mouth, say something, open your mouth 开口 okay? to speak, and then how do you say one sip or one bite? 一口一口口一口 okay? One, this is one 口一口 one mouth, it means one bite, okay? Or one sip. 一口咖啡Okay, 咖啡 first sound 咖啡 okay, 一口咖啡 one sip of coffee, okay, one sip of coffee. 开口 is open your mouth, okay. 口味 you have a very good 口味 you have very very good taste, okay. Orange 口味橙子口味或者黄梨口味榴莲口味 okay, 口味flavor, what flavor, orange flavor, orange 口味 okay, orange taste. Also you can use it to talk about your preference. 买口味is different. 买口味我的口味不一样 my 口味 is different, okay, 口味 so and then 口头 is something only verbal, okay. 头 means head, like literally your head, okay. 口头 when they put together that means verbal, something verbal. Verbal promise is 口头承诺 okay. 借 is borrow, to borrow mouth, it means excuse, okay. No 借口 please, okay. No 借口 okay, no excuse please 借口 okay. 口气 is your tone of voice. He has very bad 口气. He has very maybe he's talking very politely, he's talking now very impolitely or very rude, okay. That's when you say someone's 口气 is very bad, okay. Very bad 口气 okay. 出口 出 is to exit. 出口 exit mouth, exit opening. It means the exit, opposite of entrance, okay. 安全 means safety, okay. Safe, okay, safety exit, okay, safety. Or you can also mean export. China does a lot of export, right? A lot of export stuff. And 入口 is the opposite of 出口. 出 is to go out. 入 is to come in. 入口 means the entrance. If you want to just say a doorway for in and out, doorway, just a doorway, okay. 门口 门 is door opening, okay. 门口 人口 人 is people. 口 again is mouth, right? 人口, so how many mouth we need to feed, right? 人口. Population, it means population. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you have any questions, you can just ask me in the comment. I'll try to answer as best as I can. So I'll see you again tomorrow. Have a good day.